Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. Hey, I'm looking at these two renewed Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo and the Jura Impressa C9. What's the deal?
Okay, so both are renewed, meaning they've been inspected and tested. The De'Longhi is newer, released in February 2024, while the Jura came out way back in 2016.
Ah, okay. Newer is usually better, right? What about features?
Well, the De'Longhi boasts 6 one-touch recipes with color icons, including iced coffee, which is pretty cool. It also has a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings.
13 settings. That's a lot of control. And what about the Jura?
The Jura's details are a bit sparse, but it's also fully automatic. One reviewer mentioned it's easy to program and makes great cappuccinos and espresso. It has rinse and full cleaning cycles, which is nice.
Cleaning is definitely important. Is one easier to clean than the other?
The De'Longhi specifically mentions removable and dishwasher-safe parts, which makes cleaning a breeze. The Jura doesn't explicitly say that, so that's a plus for the De'Longhi.
Good point. What about milk frothing? I love a good latte.
The De'Longhi has a traditional milk frother, so you can manually create textured foam with milk or alternatives. The Jura doesn't specify its frothing method.
Manual frothing can be a bit of a pain. Any size differences?
The De'Longhi's dimensions are 17.32, DX 9.45, WX 14.17H, while the Jura is listed as 21.6X, 19.2X, 18.8 inches. So the Jura is significantly larger.
Okay, so the Jura takes up more counter space. What about weight?
The De'Longhi weighs 20.8 pounds. Surprisingly, the Jura is listed at only 0.01 ounces, which is definitely an error. It's got to be heavier. Probably similar to the De'Longhi.
Yeah, that's definitely a mistake. So De'Longhi is newer, has more features like iced coffee and dishwasher-safe parts, and a more precise grinder. The Jura is older and bigger. It seems like the De'Longhi is the better option, and it also seems to be more readily available.
Exactly. Plus, it's got other seller options.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.